Hi friends, welcome to Series T Tech News. The next topic is nested if. Nested if is nothing but if condition inside another if condition. Previously we learned if condition and open curly brace, close curly brace, the statements. So if we wanted to write another condition inside this if condition, like if the condition 2 and open curly brace, closed curly brace, this if is this and this if block is this. If again we want to write another if condition inside if condition 3 and open curly brace and closed curly brace and the statements. So this type of structure we will call it as a nested if condition. It is like if condition inside if condition, if condition inside if condition. Similarly we can write if else blocks as well in nested format, nested if else blocks. So it is also very simple. If condition 1 open curly brace, closed curly brace, here we will be writing else open curly brace, closed curly brace. So this is the else block and this is the if block. If we want to write another if condition over here, if let's say condition 3 open curly brace, closed curly brace, this is the if condition for this block and we can write else block for this particular if condition. This is nested if. Inside else also we can write if condition, if condition 4 open curly brace, closed curly brace, here the statements will come and else block. If it is required only we need to write else block, or else no need to write. So this is the nested if, nested else conditions. So a very simple concept. If we write another condition inside one condition, then we will call that as a nested if conditions. Thanks for watching.